Just because you have a small space doesn't mean that you can't fit everything you want or need. Effectively, no matter how small your space is, you can always design it in a way to look bigger. I'm Chloe Khouri, interior architect student, and in this video I will be giving you some tips and tricks on how to make your space look bigger. Tip number 1, let there be light. The most common mistake is the use of blackout curtains. Instead, you can go for light curtains with soft textures and materials, able to bring as much light as possible into the space. Furthermore, you can use additional lighting fixtures such as floor lamps, LEDs, or even spotlights. It is very recommended to use mirrors in opposition to a window, able to bring as much light as possible into the space, making it look even bigger. Tip number 2, furniture. Instead of having bold, heavy furniture, choose them with legs. This way you will be tricking your brain into seeing more space and the vision will be flawless. Also, you can opt for neutral colors for your sofas or even use transparent see-through chairs. And this way, you will be tricking your brain also into visualizing more light coming into the space. You can never go wrong by choosing multifunctioning or multi-purpose and folding furniture. As a last tip, if you wish to incorporate more colors into your space, go for colorful accent chairs, giving a pop of color, or even you can use some accessories, giving the space a refreshing feeling. Tip number 3, walls. As interior architects and interior designers, we often recommend the use of a focal point, and the focal point is usually a wall. While for small spaces, it is not very recommended to use high contrasting walls. Therefore, it is preferable not to use a white furniture or light color furniture with a black wall. Instead, you can go for a light wall or a wallpaper bringing out light and colorful textures. Tip number 4, rugs and cushions. While going to search for rugs and cushions, make sure to bring a large rug with neutral color to make the space look bigger. It is always preferable to choose a large one than to choose multiple small ones. Also, while looking for cushions, make sure to look for colorful ones or striped ones that will make the space look longer. Tip number 5, avoid the clutter. As a final tip, always make sure to have your floor as clean as possible, and that by avoiding the clutter of materials. And finally, by choosing a neutral colored rug. So this is it for today. I hope you liked my video. If you did, click the like button and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content. If you have any questions, make sure to drop them in the comment box below. I will make sure to respond as many questions as possible in my next videos. See you soon.